A washing machine, a Hoover Nextra 6, bit smashed up. HNWL 7146, made in the UK. Hoover, there you go. Don't know what's wrong with this one. Let's see if there's a filter on it. There you go. Put a glove on. So let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck. What can we do with that? So I've got the machine over on its side. What could be wrong with it? That's the drain hose. There could be money in it. Take that pump off the back of it. So we've got these screws holding the back of the pump to the front of the pump. If I take them out, they're twin threads, so they're coming out quite quick. Kind of smelly down here. Now if that pump is blocked, then they should be full of water. That's it. Why won't it open? Definitely blocked. What's in it? Fluff and hair and stuff. Something coming down here from the waste is stopping it opening. That's not helped much. So then, to give yourself a bit more leverage, so the other trick for opening these is to get a grips like that. Just force it. What was in there? It's fully blocked with something. Something metallic coming down there, I don't know. Let's see what's in this side. More screws. Yeah, there's money in there. What have we got? 30 pence? It's been there a while. 20 pence. Just smells like clean laundry, even though it looks like gross. So to put it back together, you just do everything in reverse. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.